Another question I get from time to time is, how did I wind up doing this cage technology? I was the first one in Tennessee, and really probably one of the first people in the globe to do that. And how did I ever sort of back into that situation? Well, the simple answer is, after my training, and I did a year fellowship, just back surgery. So I wanted to be really good at this. I got out, and after my first year of surgery results, I looked at them, and I wasn't very happy. And I thought, I think I've been trained pretty okay, so what's going on? And a group of us really were talking, and we felt like we're missing something here. We're missing something really important and really basic. And essentially at the end of it, what we felt like was most of the surgery we're doing on people are for bad disc. But the surgery really didn't address bad disc. At the end, what we came up with, these things called cages, it wasn't my idea originally, but I was on kind of the first leading edge of this sort of technology, was if you got a bad shock in your car and you don't like the way the car drives, maybe you should put a new shock in it. And there's no other real answer to it. And to a simplistic sense, we thought the back probably deserved that sort of thinking. And ultimately we came up with these devices that have a little give and take. We built it to be about like Bo knows. Bigger in the front than the back. We did that a few years later. What's the appropriate width, length, and so forth. It took a few years to figure that out to the maximum degree. But at this point, it's for a lot of problems, or certainly for many, it's a great answer.